Are investors about to be tested for the first time in 20 years? What do I mean by that? If somebody would have bought the US stock market on January the 1st, 2000, they would have had to wait until 2011 to break even. That's assuming they didn't add more money in between when markets were kind of lower after the dot-com crash in 2008. I truly believe that investors have not been truly tested since that point, because even somebody who bought just before 2008, it only took markets 3 years to recover. So we haven't had a period like 1965 until 1982 or 2000 until 2010-11 since 2010-11 by definition. So I actually think a lot of DIY investors in particular, the next time we have a period like that, it'll be very interesting to see how many people can just buy and hold. I'm not saying it's going to happen this time. I'm not saying there's going to be a lost decade for markets. Nobody knows. But we are going to see, where it is this year, where it's in 10 years, where it's in 15 years, we're going to see investors tested again. And it's only at that point when you realize who has the emotional stability to invest for the long term.
How can I help you? In two ways. First of all, are you an expat, a high net wealth individual, or just somebody who lives in a part of the world where it's difficult to get access to quality investment solutions? In which case, go onto my website on adamfayed.com and find out more. If you don't fit into any of those categories, then in which case there's a range of free material on my website, on this YouTube channel, and indeed on my Quora, where I get over 200 or have received over 231 million views in the last few years. And finally, if you want to actually read my thoughts in more detail, go onto Amazon and find my book on there.